respiration.
Respiration.
Okay. Yes. Now we are going to learn now the difference between aerobic respiration. Already we have learned. Let us see, have a comparative study between both of them. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I can tell, call out. Amaya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you read this difference between aerobic and anaerobic first points?
Yes, ma'am. Aerobic respiration. It
Hmm.
occurs in the presence of water, and
Hmm.
aerobic respiration. It occurs in the absence of water.
Okay. So, in the presence of O2 means what, children? O2 stands for which?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. One oxygen molecule is O2. Okay. So, already it is clear. It is from the definition. Okay. So, now can you read Fidel, second point?
Yes, ma'am. Aerobic respiration. It involves the exchange of gases between an organism and outside environment.
Okay.
Exchange of gases is absent.
Yeah. So this is what? What type of gases we are exchanging between a living being and the outside?
Man, carbon dioxide and
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Okay, carbon dioxide. We are exchanging, we are receiving oxygen and we are releasing carbon dioxide. Okay. Seba, next point. Third point.
It occurs in cytoplasm and
Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a part of another part of a cell, muscle cell, okay? Not muscle cell, another part of the cells in nothing that we call mitochondria, and it is known as powerhouse. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Okay. It is a powerhouse of the cell, okay, mitochondria. So, anaerobic, can you read?
Ma'am, we can hear disturbance, ma'am.
Maybe the breeze or something.
No, ma'am, now it's fine.
Now it's gone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Maybe some signal variation. Okay, it occurs only in the cytoplasm. Okay, fine. Steve, fourth point. What is that?
It always less oxygen and
CO2 is oxygen, Steve.
sorry, ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. And H2O?
H2O?
H2O. What is H2O?
Water.
Water.
No water.
Chemical formula of carbon dioxide. 1 minute. It always releases carbon dioxide and water. Okay, next point, corresponding point.
And produced many vary.
End products may vary. End products may vary means which is the end products we are talking about? The alcohol, do you know?
It is carbon dioxide and water.
Not only that, anaerobic, which are the two things in yeast? Anaerobic,
alcohol
which is
and
alcohol.
water.
And human being, which is the thing? Lactic acid. Okay. Yeah, that is one. Now, apart from this, you can add one more point if you want. Okay, it's a part of example. You can add under aerobic, you can add, it takes place.
Excuse me, ma'am. Should we write
this is, if you want, you click the photos, okay? Because in the notes I will be giving, okay? Don't waste the time. Now, you can write as fifth point, it takes place under aerobic, you can write, it takes place in organisms and human being. So that you can write it as another difference, okay? And corresponding. Yeah.
Anaerobic also takes place in organisms and.
But only in yeast. Yeah. Not all organism. It takes place in yeast and human being. Okay. Majority all the animals or organisms. Micro and macro.
Aerobic.
Yeah. Micro and macro organisms. Micro means small amoeba, fungus, alga. Without air, they cannot breathe in. But anaerobic, majority it will take place only yeast family. We have so many other different types of yeast family, and they're known as different name. So, and human being in muscle cells. Okay, so that is very common. So this you can write it as the fifth difference. Okay, in case you forget any one of this point, you can write this is as a difference. Okay, so this is the difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. You can get 3 marks question. 3 marks means 3 difference. I will be asking 2 marks question means any 2. Okay, so if you study 5, any 2 you can, any 2 or 3 you can remember. Okay, fine.
Aerobic respiration occurs in all organisms, right?
Yeah, in majority organisms. Okay, majority all organism, because yeast is organism, but it is not aerobic. Okay, so majority all organism aerobic, birds, human being, animals.
What is difference between difference?
Yes. Okay, that you can click it now. In the note it will be there. Okay,
Ma'am, so we should take a screenshot, right?
yeah, you don't waste time is writing that. You can take the screenshot if you want.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just
Ma'am, I
I
have
just make it down.
Ma'am, completed writing.
Okay. Yeah.
May we have completed writing.
Yes. Okay. Those who completed it, it's okay. Others who are waiting to complete, okay. You take the screenshot for the time being for you to
No, I'm
revise
fine,
it
ma'am.
when you come in the Friday class. Okay. Fine. Shall we change now? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So now we are moving on to the next topic, functions of respiratory system. Functions of respiratory system. What are the functions of respiratory system in an organism? It is not only breathing. Through respiration, there are so many things are happening in an organism. So that is what we are moving on to. We are concentrating on human beings respiratory system. We are not learning any other, only frog, insects, earthworm. That is apart from this what we are learning, earthworm, insects, like cockroach, and then frog, fish. These are the other 4. Then respiration in plants. Respiration also takes place in plants. It is also an organism, living organism. Okay, so first point, Ismail, can you read the first point, Ismail?
Supplies.
This you can write it if you want, because anyway we take a lot of time to explain that, so you can copy it. Ismail, can you unmute and read the first point?
Supplies the body with oxygen and dispose carbon dioxide.
Okay. Okay, wait over this, man. Supplies the body with oxygen. This is which process are we pointing this function? Abhyuday, which process are we pointing the first point? The respiration involves certain processes we told. What is this actually first point? Abhyuday?
Can I?
No? Okay, Malavika Bini. Any idea? Okay, Harriet.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, Smriti. Let me ask others, those who don't know. Harriet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which process this point is pointing? Respiration involves what process? In the slide itself, there is answer. What is that? Say, what you call another name for respiration for human being?
Breathing.
Breathing. So simple. The first
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
So first point is actually breathing. Supplies the body with oxygen. Okay, fine. Yes, Nia, next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Second point.
Ma'am, filter. Ma'am, what you wrote?
Impure.
Filters impure air.
Filters impure air. That is when you breathe in, our body has some kind of parts of gases, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, so once you breathe in, what will happen? Oxygen will purify our entire system. and they release the carbon dioxide. So that is impure air. Okay, fine. Next point, Sri Lakshmi.
Produces sound.
Produces sound, respiration. What is that? You see, even without touching also, you can see a person is breathing. You know how it is? Huh?
Ma'am, during sleep.
Some of have asthmatic person. You know asthmatic patients. They
Yes, ma'am.
breathe. Yeah. Then how does the doctor check your heart whether it is okay?
By the
Ma'am, use
stethoscope.
the
Yes. Keeping the stethoscopes. By keeping the stethoscope, he will able to count the pulse rate or breathing rate of you within 1 minute. Yes. Yes. Okay. Even pressure. You know the pressure. Pressure. We have a instrument. Actually, pressure also checked by the checking the pulse rate as well as the strength of blood which is exerting pressure on you. Yeah. Some echo sound. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It's from Ashwin.
Ashwant, can you mute it? Ashwant. Okay. Devika Prabil, next answer.
Contains receptors for smell.
A receptor means receiver, we call it in for mobile. No? Receptor means something. So some of our organs are receptive organs. Smell. If you get COVID, do you feel like tasting the food? Will you get the
No,
taste?
ma'am. We don't taste. We don't get
You
taste.
don't
We
taste,
don't
especially
smell.
COVID people nearly 3 months. They don't feel the smell or taste. Similarly, you get a simple cold. Don't go for COVID. Simple cold and fever. You see, you lose the smell and the taste of the food because your respiratory system is not working. It's not working properly. It is not normal. That is another thing. And you see, some of your old grandmothers, grandfathers, while they sleep, have you heard they are making noise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe.
Ma'am, not only grandfathers and grandmas, also people who are tense and stressed will also snore while sleeping.
Yeah. Why you are making noise? Because you are so much tensed, worried. But grandmother's grandfather is snoring. That is because their system is becoming old. So their immune system is not strong. But a healthy person, sometimes I also snore. Because I don't hear, but my husband used to say, because of your snoring, I could not sleep. So he will get up and go to another room to sleep. And even my dad used to say, my mother, no, because poor thing, she worked a lot. She's a housewife. So we had olden times, we had cows and she will take care of the cows. At 12 o'clock, she will sleep and she'll get up 3 o'clock in the morning. By the time that one Tamil fellow, we call it Annachi, no? Anna. He comes to milk the cow. So naturally she'll get up. So she doesn't have proper sleep. So that is why when we are so tired, sometimes you go to sleep. And finally, the snoring sound will come. So that is not our fault. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Especially, it's not necessary. You are tensed with something. It is very common. If you are tensed with something, especially your parents or mothers are usually prone to this snoring. Okay. Okay. So they snore. So that is also, what does it does? It produces sound, but what does the snoring tell? That your metabolism is not normal. You are undergoing some kind of stress. How does the stress will affect you? Let us go to the next point. Okay. Next point.
Ma'am, so it's natural for small babies to snore.
Small baby is natural, but sometimes the small babies may have breathing problem. They make noise. Okay. Sometimes asthmatic patients, they will make noise. Okay. So small baby is snoring. It is not normal actually. A small baby, she is normal. She will have a sound to sleep. She or he doesn't produce. If a baby is making lots of noise, sometimes that child is finding difficult to breathe. So better we have to go to the doctor.
Must
Okay.
be the nose.
Ma'am,
is
the
blocked.
normal person also snore.
Some are normal, but we cannot say because some babies are they just born, no? So we don't know. While they are in mother's womb, if their organs or lungs are not formed properly, they may face these things. Okay. So that is the reason. Okay. Next point. Shall we go to this one? Namasya, can you read? 5th point. I think Namasya, your audio is okay, I think. Hmm? Okay, what about Ahmad Jishad? Can you hear me? Ahmad Jishad.
Namaste's voice is low.
Okay. Mohammad Yasin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the 5th point here?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Hmm.
Rid the body of some excess water and heat.
Okay, what rids the body means getting out of the body, get rid of the body. You see, whenever you do thing, every time some excess of water. When do we remove the excess of water? For what function we do? Huh? Excess of water means urinating. Yes. When you urinate, you are throwing the excess of water. So when you do the respiration, all your glucose will break down into water, carbon dioxide, energy. So some of the water is excess, you will be throwing out in the form of urine. Heat, when does the body produces heat? Anaerobic respiration, do you know? When you play, when you game, your body become hot and you started sweating. Okay? Yes. And it will help. Respiration. Respiration is the process we are removing. We started sweating when we do the anaerobic respiration. Yes. Now come to Anthony Vijo. Can you hear me? Anthony Vijo. Anthony, I think you have to come to the school with your sister, okay? I heard your sister also coming to the hostel. You also come to the hostel. You are not switching on. I don't think you are studying also. Anthony. Hiba Fatima, can you hear me? Hiba Fatima. Can you unmute? Unmute and read the last point, dear. Not okay. Asishuni, are you okay? Your audio is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the last point? Help?
Helps regulate blood pH.
pH. Okay. What is pH? Where did you learn the word pH value?
Acid bases.
Acid and bases. Okay. What is the pH value of the water?
Ma'am, 7.
What is the pH value of acid?
Ma'am,
Less than?
less than 7.
Okay. What's the pH value of base?
Greater than 7.
7. And blood is a neutral solution. Okay. So our blood also pH value is 7. And as I explained, when you are tensed, when your body is not normal, the blood's pH value can change. Blood pH value can change. How? pH value. Forgot about it.
And potential of hydrogen.
Potential of hydrogen content in your body. Yeah. Okay. So pH value, see, the and the material should be acid or base. It depends upon the amount of the content of hydrogen. Okay. Sometimes due to the overwork or due to the some sickness, the blood is a neutral solution, either can become more acidic, either it can become a base. Their pH value will change. Why? Once you are tensed up, your body will create lot of toxins. Toxins means the bad hormones. We have a function which is known as hormones. The hormones is the one which is changing the mood swings. Either make you happy. Yeah.
You have hormone changes.
Either make you happy, either make you sad, either make you laugh. All these are some hormones in our body. Hormones is another part of a organism. You will learn in higher classes. So when there is hormone imbalance, that is the reason sometimes you will get pimples. Sometimes your body will be swollen. So hormone are the main reason for whether you are happy or sad. And the people have a problem with the blood pH. Sometimes these people get more angry, short-tempered. They become short-tempered. Sometimes they cannot control the emotions, what they feel. Sometimes the people, some of the people who is undergoing depression, They will sit quietly and cry in a room. Sometimes they will laugh. Okay. The main reason is that this emotions, okay, emotions is controlled by the hormones, and hormone imbalance takes place if your blood circulation is not normal and the pH value of the blood is not maintained properly. So those people, those who have problem, you should have the curd more, vegetable more, and reduce the intake of non-veg. And you know, you just check. Some of you nowadays, you are in online classes, no? Now, nearly two years you are sitting at home. Sometimes do you feel angry
Yes, ma'am.
sitting at home? Yes.
Yes.
Because your hormone imbalance taking place, you're closed up in a room. No one likes to closed up. No? No one like to live in a prison.
No, ma'am.
So while you were in the school, you like to run to the house. But 2 years staying inside the house, too much, no? Maybe some people have a choking sensation. Just go out, make noise and run and play. Is it so? Ashish, Yasin, Abhyuday, huh? Why you boys are becoming, except elders, all boys are becoming so silent? Why they know? They don't play. Huh? They don't do any exercise. So that is why the boys are so silent. You just check
But
any
Ashish
online
always
classes
go
you
there.
see. Boys are very silent. Girls will talk because they are prone to sit at home. Girls are too much because they feel they are so safe and protective inside the house. Correct? Girls, because girls' hormone is that. Your mentality is safety. Where there is safety, you secure. But still, some of you, those are active, those who like to play, those who go out for party, dance, they will really have a choking sensation, and sometimes you feel angry. You may get angry with your mother. I think, can you tell any one of you did not get angry these 2 years with your parents? Anyone who did not get angry with your parents, with your or any type of bad? Anyone is there? I'll give one chocolate once you come there. I'll really no. Yes, I don't think. You check yourself. A single time, I think it is more, no? To get
Yes, ma'am.
Eat the chocolate yourself.
Ma'am, it's because like after
no.
for a long time we are inside the house, so
No, you say, ma'am, it is not because we are locked up inside the house, you are getting angry.
No, ma'am.
Maybe some other reason also, but this is how it is projected. See, our emotions, what happened, it may be projected what you've experienced now these 2 years. So getting angry, maybe for silly thing you get angry, all that. But this
Yes,
is
ma'am. My
how
mom always
psychology, the doctor, psychiatrist will tell you, because this is effort. I'm telling you, if you sit up in a one class, you don't say, ma'am, I am not because I am locked up in the house, not because I'm angry. That is not. The anger will come in different reasons. The main reason will be, some of them you cannot move this side, that side, every time inside the room. Look at the online classes. Then teachers are sending the notes and notes and notes. All this matters. But the projection of that feelings come out in different time. Maybe in the case of food, or in the case of something that your parents said no. Okay. So this is, I'm making you to understand that these all are the feelings, emotions that will happen once your system, your metabolism, the blood pH, the value of pH value of the blood must be changed. Okay. Especially some of the people getting angry. Why? You become more acidic. Your blood pH change into acidic. Maybe less than 7 it comes. That is why anger emotions come. Okay. Sometimes it goes to basic. That time you feel so gloomy. You don't speak to anyone. You like to stay in the house. Sometimes you simply cry. So that is maybe your pH value of blood must be turned into base. So these are some emotions. Okay. Yes, Seba, are you saying something?
Yes, ma'am. One doubt. When we will get anger, the pH value will lower 5.
What, Seba?
Ma'am, when we get anger, when the pH value gets high or less.
She's asking.
uh,
She's asking whether we get angry when the value is high or low.
High or low?
acidity, acidic nature is high.
pH.
Yes, acidic nature is high in the blood. That is why you get angry. Okay. Why? Acidic nature makes a burning sensation, or your temperature, your heat in your body increases when you get angry. Have you ever experienced when you get anger? Have you ever touched your body and see how you feel? Some is say, no, she is getting angry and shivering with the anger. Have you ever heard? Yeah, you just check it.
Ma'am, like ma'am, at that time, like we are out of mind, ma'am.
Out of mind. You don't think. What is the main problem?
Ma'am, we don't know what we are doing.
That is the reason of the blood circulation is wrong. Blood circulation did not take place properly. The blood has to be neutral. It should be water like. So, see, you think emotions, it is emotion. No. Emotions, health, brain, everything is connected. What you feel in your mind, that is what you are. Okay. What you experience in your mind, that is what you project in your life. Okay. So that is what. So these are the something you have to be aware of it. Why I become, that's why some of the students, you know, when they depression, they go to doctor and they are giving medicine to you. Why do you have medicine? That medicine is helping you to reduce your pH, that pH, and come to the normal. And sometimes the doctor will make you to sleep. Do you know that? Some will take the sleeping pills because they cannot sleep because of lot of worries, and they take the sleeping pills. What is the sleeping pills do for that person? It will make your nerves and your entire system to be calm. And because of calmness, that person go to sleep. And so there are, now it is very common, depression and tension is very common in small children and the parents because of this pandemic. Some are financial problems, some are not able to go to the school. All these are matters. So nowadays depressed patients are more. Doctor will give them, and there are some students and parents, they cannot sleep without having a pill. Okay, and that will make you to endure a patient. Okay, children. So this is about the function. So you just think respiratory system has a lot to do with our life. Once respiratory system is normal, digestion will take place. Your life, you will be positive and you will be happy. And also you can face all the difficulties. So that is respiratory system has a lot to do. That is why the doctors are encouraging to have meditation. Yeah, meditation, yoga. All this, why they are telling to make your breathing exercises, make you to be normal. Okay. Okay, children. So I am winding up the session. While you learn the science, we also have to, some values are there in all this. Okay, not simply we are learning the parts of our body. Our body parts, your heart and your mind, all are connected. So always you think like that. Okay. When you get angry, okay, just speak calm. You don't speak not a single word. When we are angry, just keep quiet, all of you. Don't say utter a single word to your parents. They may feel hurt and all. After some time, you just take a breath, and just close your eyes. You just do that breathing exercise if you have. Okay, then you will see the difference between that emotion and your peacefulness. Okay, just try it. Some of you, if you feel that much short-tempered and all. I also do. Whenever I get angry with maybe my husband, my kids and all, sometimes I keep quiet. Because uttering word will give the, increase the hurt feelings in others' peppers. Okay, if you beat it, that pain will go very fast. But when you say one word with your tongue, that will never go. Even you be happy, still that person's mind, that word will be coming again and again. So when you feel angry, better you keep quiet. That's it. After some time, you feel like talking, but you just control. Just sit quietly. After some time, just do 5 times breathing in, breathe out. You will see the difference in your attitude. Okay. Bye, children. So we'll meet in the next class. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.